What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another breakdown where I will be showing you guys how to make a profit of $1,213 the easy way. Real quick before we start, as you guys can see, the Telegram be going crazy. We just hit TP on gold today. GU, we hit TP yesterday. You can see I share my trades before I enter so you guys can also profit off of these trades. Also Q&As, weekly webinars, giveaways. You can either see right here, or students, they be taking their trades on their own, making their first profits, etc. So feel free to join the community and make your first profit, become a profitable trader. So we start off on the daily time frame. As always, we want to identify what is the market structure. Are we bullish or bearish? You can clearly see we are in a bearish market structure, making lower lows and lower high, followed by this impulse with the retracement to create a possible lower high to continue the trend to the downside. We have our impulse right here, which is all one color, also breaking and closing below the lowest point of the previous structure. If I was to mark off the lowest point, you could see this was the previous lower low, and we had this break and close with the candle below this level. We also have the retracement, that is 2 daily candles minimum, and the retracement is also all one color. So now we have identified our setup on the daily. We go to the weekly time frame, and on the weekly time frame we will be looking for our resistance or support that could be of influence. So I will have to remove this candle and give you guys an indication of what price was looking like at the moment. So you can clearly see this level right here was previously support that got broken. So it was here support. Price used it as support right there, followed by a break, and we are now having the retest of this level, which is now resistance, because we know after supports get broken, it turns into resistance. You can clearly see on the daily also, it perfectly lines up with this resistance level, and price is now retesting it. So now we draw our fib in the opposite direction of the retracement, so we can measure the distance of the new impulse. On the 4 hour, we will wait for the break of the 61 level, and we are still waiting. If price goes any higher, just adjust your fib from the highest to the lowest, from the lowest to the highest, depending on the structure. So we're still waiting on the break. As you can see, price has broken the 61 level right here. That means our sell limit order can now goes on the 61, or stop loss on the 88, and our take profit at the -27, because we expect price to retest the 61 and go at least to the -27. So right now we're waiting, and we have now entered this trade. As soon as price breaks this 38 level, we can now use it as a sign to move our stop loss to break even, and it now becomes a risk-free trade. So we're still waiting. I did close my trade out right here because Thursday there was going to be a close in the US market, but as you guys can see, price still ended up going lower and hitting TP. So this was the breakdown on GBPUSD, a quick 1 to 3. Feel free to watch the other breakdown videos, join the community, and I will see you all in the future. Peace.